Waking up this early has always been a struggle for me, but if I don't, I won't be able to get what belongs to Caesar. Okay, alright guys, in my previous video I mentioned I was going to move $20 to $1,000. Now the honest truth is I was way over my head with that one. I was dreaming and it was really unrealistic coming from someone who is now starting out. Reflecting back on what I said, I think it made me sound more of a guru than a beginner, as I mentioned. And so I had to take some steps. And believe me, I tried. I tried to move that $20 to $1,000, but I failed. Rather unfortunate. I think it's not time yet for me to move such an amount to rather another huge amount. So what I did was I studied. It's been about 7 months since I made my last video, 7 or 6 months roughly. So it's been long. So guys, I've been on the grind. I've been studying, working hard, trying to make this work, trying to make this click, and not just be lucky, because you can be lucky, you know. I was lucky a few times, but time has proved that yes, mastery is possible. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. But yes, mastery is possible. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I mentioned I was going to move 20 to 1,000. Right now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to come clean with myself. It's okay to be dreaming, but I have to be realistic when I'm doing dreaming. And I have to look at my capabilities as a trader, as a person, and be honest with myself so that they don't seem too emphatic, therefore discouraging me. I don't want that. I want to be encouraged to move on and keep pushing. So what it did was to discourage me, because I tried moving the 20 to 1,000 several times. I came to realize that it was a learning phase. Okay, so I came to realize that there was so much that I had to do, from compounding so many positions, because there's no way you can, unless I'm trying to grow the account. But in actuality, I was trying to flip the account, not necessarily grow the account, because I didn't have time. So I was trying to just flip the account. So from 20 to $1,000. And mind you, this at that time was coming from a person who hadn't moved 20 to 500, 20 to 400 to 300. The maximum I had done was from 10 to 100. That was possible. That's how come. I think during that video, I was like, the dynamics had changed, and I was going to move a 20 to 1,000 because I had done 10 to 100. So I didn't flip the account with that one. It was slow and steady. And I think for this one, I was just trying to flip the account. And I think that's the excitement. Yes.
Christian so she ran into us, a jack or sumaimba. Meno cran so besho mwami yo anybody reciting my ilala. It's not a cry to a hammy, one jammy, but Emma to stop with the kumbaya.